Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. Managing log files is a common operation for system administrators with any operating system. In this video, we'll look at how you can manage logs in the Linux environment. Let's go ahead and get started. Logs are crucial for system administration in Linux, offering insights into system activity, performance, and security. They include logs for system boot, user authentication, and application activity stored in plain text files for easy access and analysis. This guide covers the basics of Linux logs, including what they are, where to find them, and how to manage them effectively. Linux logs are essential records generated by the kernel, system services, and applications. They offer insights into system operations, aiding in troubleshooting, performance monitoring, and auditing. Most Linux logs are stored in the var/log directory. Common log files include various system and application logs. To view logs, you can use various commands. Use the cat command to display log contents and tail to follow logs in real time. You can also use grep to search logs and dmesg for kernel logs and journalctl for systemd logs. Linux uses the logrotate utility to manage log files by rotating, compressing, and removing old log files. The main configuration file is located in the etc/logrotate.conf file, while server-specific configurations are stored in the etc/logrotate.d directory. Effective log management includes rotating, compressing, and cleaning logs. Rotating logs weekly, compressing them to save space, and cleaning up old logs to prevent excessive disk usage. Use provided configuration and options like missing gawk and notify empty commands to assist in that management. For real-time log monitoring, use journalctl for systemd logs and logwatch for daily summaries. For advanced log aggregation analysis, third-party tools like ELK, Stack, or Graylog are recommended. To ensure log security and availability, restrict access to authorized users and use remote log servers like rsyslog or syslog-ng to maintain log availability during failures. In summary, Linux logs are essential for system performance, diagnosing issues, and security. They're stored in the var/log directory. Effective management includes viewing, analyzing, rotating, and securing logs using tools like journalctl, logrotate, and third-party solutions. Well, that's it for this video. I hope it's given you a good understanding of how you can get started using log files in your Linux system. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye for now.